Hey guys, how's it going? How to recognize energy types in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Pokemon, right? Go ahead to your cards right here at the bottom left. And basically go ahead and click, let's say for example, this card. And you're going to be able to see grass, right? Icon, like a green leaf symbol. And you have fire, for example. If you have fire, you're going to see right here I for psychic, right? And you have right here the I, but also you have right here the kind of star or fairy, right? And you have the colorless, maybe, or this is fairy still. And you have, metal or different kind of types right here. This is fire, right? And you have this one, you're gonna be able to see like darkness, or I don't know, I think like a hand or a finger. I don't know what that means, but we can move along to see this one, for example, right? And right here it says slash, maybe a combo of fighting, right? And you're gonna be able right here to see this card, for example, green leaf again. You're gonna be able to see metal, fairy, colorless, like white star symbol, can use any energy. You have water, blue drop symbol, and you have lightning, psychic, fighting, and you get the gist. So let's run out the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.